Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel FlavourSalt.com. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Japanese food. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Whether you're a sushi pro or a ramen rookie, I've got some hidden gems and must-know tips to unlock the delicious secrets behind Japanese cuisine. So, grab a snack and let's get cooking. First off, let's talk about umami. Ever heard of it? It's like the fifth taste sensation beyond sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. It's what makes Japanese food so addictive. You'll find umami galore in ingredients like miso, soy sauce, and kombu. Have you ever made dashi? Trust me, it's a game changer. Just simmer some kombu and bonito flakes, and you've got this magical broth that can elevate any dish. You can literally pour this liquid gold over anything, rice, veggies, you name it. I'll show you the easy steps to whip this up at home, because why buy the expensive stuff when you can make it yourself? Alright, sushi lovers, let's talk rice. It's not just any rice, it's shari. Honestly, it's like the heartbeat of sushi. The secret? You gotta wash it until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and helps it become sticky when cooked. Plus, we're using a special rice vinegar mix to give it that slightly sweet zing. And here's a tip that'll level up your sushi game. Don't pack it too tight. You want each bite to be delightful and not a challenge to chew. So go easy on the fillings. The art of balance is key here. Oh, whoops. Looks like I packed this one a little too tight. But hey, that's part of the learning process. Now, let's talk about ramen. Ever slurped on noodles and thought, is this heaven? Well, it might just be. The magic is in the broth. You need that deep, rich flavor. Pro tip, don't be afraid to experiment with toppings. Try adding a soft-boiled egg, spicy miso, or even some grilled corn. It'll blow your mind. Look at that yolk. It's like liquid sunshine in there. Alright, let's talk snacks, because Japanese snacks are a whole new world. From mochi to pocky, trust me, you'll never run out of options. If you want to impress your friends, try making dorayaki, those fluffy pancakes filled with sweet red bean paste. I mean, they're like little hugs on a plate. Ah, pure bliss. So, the next time you dive into Japanese food, remember these tips. Don't be intimidated by the ingredients, embrace them, try new things, and don't worry about making mistakes. Cooking is all about fun and flavor. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and share your own cooking tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time on my kitchen adventures. Let's keep unlocking those delicious secrets together. Bye.